Welcome to this new video. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a Microsoft account easily. A Microsoft account allows you to access various services like Outlook, OneDrive, and Windows features seamlessly. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Once the page loads, click on Get a New Email Address. Under the sign-in box, you will be asked to enter an email address. You can either use an existing email or create a new Outlook or Hotmail address. If you prefer to use a phone number, click on Use a phone number instead. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for a better security. Click Next. Now enter your first and last name, then click Next. Select your country and enter your birth date. This helps Microsoft personalize your experience. Click Next. If you signed up with an email, Microsoft will send a verification code to your inbox. Enter the code in the provided field and click Next. If you used a phone number, you will receive a text message with a code. To confirm you're not a robot, complete the security verification challenge. Once completed, your Microsoft account is now ready. You can use it to sign in to Windows, Outlook, OneDrive, and other Microsoft services. And that's it. You have successfully created a Microsoft account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.